Okay, and then how I can this release and depressurize and remove this fuel pressure in this my BMW's 300 series cars fuel injection. There is really this fuel pressure valve in here, and let's go to look closer what this valve looks like. It looks like that. This small valve, and there is metallic cap, and I can open that cap, and there is metallic this cap in there, and then we can go to look in inner area. And there is really this intake manifold, and in here is this valve, this pressure valve, and then I have this Phillips head screwdriver. I can press that side, and then soon fuel can fly away. Yes, in that way I can take this fuel pressure away in this my system. Okay, good. And that kind of system, it might be also in all others BMW's fuel injection system. But this is this idea, and then I nicely tap that again, and now fuel pressure is away in BMW's gasoline engine. And then thumbs up, my friend, if you like that video.